guys, so we're gonna be doing a low taper. I'm gonna attach my 4 guard, lever closed. I'm gonna flick out to that bulk line right there. Just gently flick up. His hair's already going in that direction, so I'm not gonna bother really changing the direction of the hair growth. This is just gonna be our base. Next, I'm gonna do a rough outline here of the C-cup. Doesn't have to be perfect, this is just to clean our work. I recommend you guys just have a clean canvas before you guys set any guidelines. Okay, so how we separate the beard and the taper area, just pretend you're gonna give them sideburns, and we're gonna go about 1 finger here. That's the separation of the beard and the taper. Now to set our first guideline, we're about 1 inch with the little U shape. Lever open now. We're gonna go about 1 inch on top and just gently flick, flick, flick. We're making it the same shape as the guideline, so a U. Next, to blend that line out, we're gonna go the lever closed. We're gonna go in the middle now. Go a little bit higher. 3/4 open, a little bit higher, to then open it all the way. Here at the bottom, I'm going to stretch the skin and kind of rub this part of the guideline closer to that little bulk of hair that we left. Now with the 1 guard lever open, we're gonna go about 1 finger again on top. I'm just gently flicking, flicking, flicking. He has like curly textured hair that does move when you go up, so I like just flicking out. I'm gonna close it. I have the closed lever position and we're hitting the beginning of the line right here. I'm gonna slowly work my way up. Just using this left corner right here. My lever's all the way open. And then I'm gonna start working my way down. The next guard, we're gonna attach the 2 guard lever open. I'm just literally gently flicking up. Nothing too crazy. Then I'm gonna close it. Now we're just gonna use the blending guards, which is the 1/2 guard, and then the next step would be the 1.5 guard. So I'm gonna start with the closed. Start slowly just working my way up. The key thing here, guys, is just to use your eyes and pay attention to the hair. .5 guard, lever open. I'm gonna use the corners only. So I want open to closed. Now to work on this lower part, which is the bald area. Super important when you guys are doing the low tapers to really just rub out this spot. Make sure that it's as bald as possible. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix the lineup right here on his beard. So we're gonna give him about a finger of regrowth here. We're gonna blend this into this. So it's almost like a reverse fade. So with the lever open, I'm gonna slightly go a tiny bit high right there. Like half an inch, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna start blending it. We got the lever in the middle. I'm gonna close it and blend this top part, basically the taper, into the beard. We have more room for error here towards the sideburn area. Next thing is touch our one guard lever open. Here at the bottom, we're now gonna set a separate guideline.
If it's bothering.
Put it in the middle. No, we're fine, bro.
Never mind. It's alright.
You're good. Next, half guard, lever open. We're gonna repeat the same steps. Now I'm gonna close it. Here, gently just flick up. And this is just our rough draft. We're gonna line everything up and then we're gonna detail. All right, so we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So just to repeat again, if you guys wanna do a different method here on the side, let's go ahead and just blend the sideburn area, the lever open, and then I'm gonna close it. And let's just make sure we have that sideburn area blended into the taper. So once that's blended, now we can start setting the first guideline to reconstruct here the side. Lever open. Go about half an inch, guys. And I'm gonna start slowly closing it little by little. Next with the one guard, lever open. We're gonna go an inch on top of that and then close it. Now the half guard, I'm gonna close it and slowly open it little by little. All right guys, once we have this blended, we can start first by lining up the vertical line bars. That's the first thing that I line up, and I make sure that my client is just standing straight like this. So here from the top, I'm gonna highlight where it starts. We're gonna follow this line and curve it a tiny bit. We're gonna go about a finger from this Adam's apple. It's kind of already naturally sitting right there. And we can see the lining now. Okay guys, so we're going to be lining up basically what was pushed down. I just want to first establish the highest point on both sides. That's the first step that we take in order to reconstruct this beard lineup. Okay, so then we have to just ensure that both sides are even, So we have that connection point. So we made that first reference point right there. So once we have established that point, that's point A, we're gonna create point B here at the top.